restaurant that had these golden arches over the front of it. And he used to say, "We're going here because they have the best French fries in the world. And I wish that there were a way that I can invest in this." Hi, I'm Roger Groh with Groh Asset Management. Do you know any other good ideas that you'd like to invest in? Well, one of the ways that you can do that is actually by buying stock in the company that runs that business. In the case of my family, when I was a kid, it was McDonald's in the very early days. And my dad was right. Those French fries were and still are delicious. Anyway, other good ideas that you might be able to invest in. Do you like the airline business? Do you like the solar panel business? Do you like the windmill business for power? Do you like the green energy business? Do you like the idea of buying car stocks when nobody else does because they're so cyclical and you can ride them up during the next cycle? Do you like the idea of buying oil stocks because prices may be low? Now, whether you should or not, that's up to you, your advisors, and for sure, do your homework before you spend a penny. One other thing, it always makes sense to practice before you actually invest. So, for instance, if you decided to buy stock in any company, before you actually put money in, pretend like you put money in. Take a piece of paper, or better yet, go onto a website which offers free track stocking. An example might be Bloomberg.com or Reuters.com. Reuters is spelled Reuters.com. And they will give you a portfolio that you can enter a name into, put today's price into, make believe like you bought it, and actually see what happens. And see if you can handle the ups and downs that are inevitable in every stock. So that's a little bit about how you can invest in stocks. One other thing to consider, it's a big world. Many companies whose products you use are based outside the United States. For instance, Bic Pens, do you know where they're based? Well, Paris, France. And yes, they trade on the Paris Stock Exchange, but also you can buy their stock here in the United States. I hope that helps. I'm Roger Groh.